This is
Chemistry News Network.
breaking news.
Good evening. It is currently 6:02 p.m. on October 23rd. Happy Mole Day, everybody. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Eliana, and today we look at a house that's been infested with bubbles.
Just this morning, we woke up to the Brady house overflowing with suds. We later found out that the bubbles were caused when young Bobby Brady was trying to wash his clothes. What he didn't realize was that a water softener was installed in his house just a week ago. Due to this, he put in triple the amount of needed soap, causing the mess. I guess you can say Bobby got in bubble trouble.
I don't know what happened. I was just doing my normal job, just doing laundry, but all of a sudden, bubbles just started spilling all over the place.
No, I told Bobby we had just installed a water softening system. This means you only use 1/3 the amount of soap that you would normally add.
So, how does this work? Let's consider the following.
A water softening system makes hard water into soft water by executing an ion exchange. No, not that kind of executing. Anyway, when the hard water enters the mineral tank, it flows through a bed of negatively charged resin beads that bind to calcium, magnesium, or iron positively charged ions, because opposites attract. Then these beads release sodium or potassium ions as they catch the hard mineral ions.
Thank you for listening to Consider the Following. Next up, we have a commercial with Dove.
Does your bar of soap leave scum on your skin? Dove leaves you 100% free from it with smooth, luscious skin. It turns the tide because it's a synthetic detergent.
Now we're going to dive deep into a new investigation with our next segment. Take it away, Tiffany.
Residents have reported crime activity throughout Mole City. Just last night, Detective Nevea reveals that the department's top suspects include the most known moles. The department is asking for the public's help in finding these culprits. So the question is, M&M, mole or not mole? Please refer to the following examples.
Hello, Mole City. Last night, as someone was moling their lawn, they spotted teenagers moling around, throwing copper sulfate eggs at different houses. The department is working hard to find the moles who have been throwing these smurfs and hope to take the blues away from your household.
So, what is a mole? A mole is any object with the number 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. This is a chemist's favorite form of measurement, as it can be used to find the number of atoms in a given substance. We need your help in identifying these suspects. Here's how the police department identifies these moles.
For example, we have these tiny and larger glass beakers. The larger beakers have a mass equal to the molar mass of glass. Molar mass is just the mass of 1 mole of something. Therefore, the larger beakers are moles. Meanwhile, the smaller beakers are half of a mole, a suspect in the making. Next, we have these two types of Smarties, chocolate Smarties and regular Smarties. The chocolate Smarties do not equal or meet the molar mass of a chocolate Smartie. Therefore, the chocolate Smarties are not moles. See, it's simple. Meanwhile, the regular Smarties do have a mass equal to the molar mass of its substance. Therefore, the regular Smarties are moles. Lastly, we can use these two candles as an example. One of the candles has a mass equal to its mole. Lastly, we can use these two candles as an example. One of the candles has a mass equal to its molar mass, the 3,000 calorie candle, while the candle with 6,000 calories was not a mole. Back to you, hosts.
Now, we throw it over to our on-site reporters who will be interviewing successful students from the class of 2022 about how they're managing their independence and maintaining their good grades.
Hello, I have here with me John, one of the chemistry honors students from Mr. Bender's period 5 class with the Sweet 88. Tell me, John, how did you study to get a Sweet 88?
To get a Sweet 88, I read my chips over and over again. I occasionally read the textbook to understand what's happening, and I definitely pay attention in class. I take notes about everything Mr. Bender does.
Okay, and
in the labs, yeah.
Okay, and do you still do your homework?
I do occasionally. I do like my homework like when it's like the textbook stuff, because like that stuff we don't learn in class, but like, and the PHs sometimes I like review it like to see what I know and what I don't know.
And so doing homework helps?
Yeah, doing homework definitely helps. I mean, I wish, I want to start doing my homework like every day now, you know? Yeah. Something I want to start doing.
And would you say that completing lab reports helps to understand chemistry?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, lab reports are like, it's like a good way to sum up what you learned already. Like Shriva, my buddy Shriva and I, in period dos, we did a lab report about the first thing we learned, the first unit 0, and it was really nice because it was like summed up everything we learned. It was nice for like the exam and stuff.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Hanna Sandomirsky. Take it away, Prince.
I'm with Hannah, another chem student with a sweet 88. Tell me, Hannah, how do you study for the mini exams?
So I study for the mini exams by looking through our chips and doing the pH.
And would you say that lab reports help you to like kind of understand the concept?
Yeah, they definitely do. I like staying engaged in class, and then I think they also help with hands-on learning.
And do you do homework?
Yes, I try to keep up with the pH because I think that it helps, especially the textbook homework, because I get to see what we learned in like a new restated way.
Okay, thank you. And let's throw it over to an interview with Tyler Swift.
I'm here today with Tyler Swift. I'm so excited to finally have met you.
Who now?
Aren't you Tyler Swift?
I think you have the
I'm
wrong
not talking
person.
to you, silly. I'm talking to your Swift. You know, as in Swift 22.
Ha, ha, ha. So funny. Now, you said you needed help with chem.
Oh yeah, in the beginning of the school year, my test scores were pretty gorgeous. But since then,
everything has changed.
I'm not sure I know the information all too well, and I've been leaving a lot of blank spaces on my mini exams.
Well, I mean, doing my pH really helped. I think you just need to shake it off, and soon you'll get better. You'll be saying, I forgot that you existed to your best scores in no time.
Thanks, Tyler, but what if I'm not ready for it? What if my Swift 22s and I are never ever getting back together?
Whoa there, I think you need to calm down. Your grades will rise in no time.
Thanks, Tyler. So, how did you get your Swift 22?
Well, I mean, when you're looking at your pHs and your chips, you really have to, understand the information instead of just going over it.
Thanks, Tyler. Next up, we have Eliana Emanuel, a chemistry honor student with an AP Chem mentor. Take it away.
Next, we have a new segment, a movie review. Let's throw it over to Prince and Pauline.
Today we'll be looking at the new movie that reached the top of the charts, Bill Nye the Science Guy Mole Parody. What do you think, Pauline?
I would have bolted inside if I'd known how good it was.
When Bill Nye talked about percent composition, it was very nutty. I liked it. But what I loved most was the explanation about conversions from grams to moles. And that was a big mass of information.
Yes, and it was both easy to understand and entertaining, especially the ending song. Now, back to you, Eliana and Tiffany.
And that's all we have for today, folks. Happy Mole Day. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I should be doing my chem pH. Holy moly guacamole with some chips on the side. How am I going to find the percent concentration of 12.5 grams of NaCl in 500 milliliter solution? I am going to flunk the next ME.
Hey, I'm your buddy molarity. M equals the moles of solute over the liters of solution. So let's get moling.
First, convert grams to moles by identifying the molar mass of sodium chloride, which is the grams in 1 mole of the substance. Based on the periodic table, sodium is 22.99 atomic mass units, or AMU. Chlorine is 35.45 AMU. The molar mass is the sum, 58.44 grams. Create an equation to have units the same as moles over liters, and that is your buddy molarity.
And that's it. Finding molarity is easy peasy. Now you're covered for the next ME, just like a mole of peas.
Yep, but I'm definitely going to get a score higher than 15.